What is good, people? Welcome to the MOTO Machines channel. In today's episode, I'm just going to be taking this Super 160 Savage project bike, which has a Z155 engine in, for another test run, because the last test run I did, it was short and sweet. I wasn't really feeling it that day. I was a bit quiet, but I did what I needed to do. So I'm back out today giving this another test run, trying to get a good feel for it to see what I'm going to do next, because I didn't do the jobs that I said I was going to do. Anyway, I'm just going to hit the tracks and woods, nothing too serious, but a nice little ride, hopefully. In that suspension, you can't really see, but it is up and down. A lot of holes that have been filled over the years. Still put it in. Don't want to blow it up. Jockey along there. She flies. Test the shocker out again. Around my knees. I like these corners. Feels a lot better until you hit that patch of straw. Come on. Okay. Need more corners. I don't like straights on this. Well, I don't like straights anyway. Full stop. What are you on about then? Don't know. That looks like a challenge. Challenge for the day. Maybe. What have I got? I did that easier than I would on my 190 or Detroit. This thing's just got the agility. And those tyres give it traction like chewing gum in your hair. I'm starting to like these tyres. Standing out above the maxes so far, and didn't even get one bit of loss of traction there. It's brilliant. And that suspension just swats and holds its position how it's meant to. You know what I mean? I'm no suspension expert, but I can tell Cheap Charlie man from the real McCoy. Don't stall now. never done that route before. He does it. Well then, I think my test ride's coming to an end now. I've learnt some things about this bike and what I've done to it. Well, for example, the tyres and the shock have made a hell of a difference. I'm really pleased with them. Still needs some work to be done. I feel that the carb's not running right. It seems to, unless I need to adjust the tick over a bit more. But these are just small things on the snag list really. I don't need to worry about or concern myself with. We just need to keep, well, trial and error. But like I said, I've enjoyed it. I've been out for a good hour. It's held up. I love the thing. Right then, I've enjoyed my ride. I've enjoyed the bike, so that's a bonus. Moto Machines out.